Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of road length as per Nagpur Road Plan. Question is given as determine the length of national highway, state highway and major district roads and length of other district road and village road for a state with the following details as per the Nagpur Road Plan. Now the details are given as agricultural area in square kilometer is equals to 40,000, non-agricultural area in square kilometer is equals to 20,000, number of towns and villages having population over 5,000 is equals to 50, having population between 2,000 to 5,000 is equals to 75, having population between 1000 to 2000 equals to 120, population between 500 to 1000 equals to 2000, and number of towns and villages having population less than 500 is equals to 10,000, and the length of railway is equals to 1500 kilometer. Now we have to compute the length of national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road and village road as per the Nagpur Road Plan. Now we know that as per the Nagpur Road Plan, the length of national highway plus state highway plus major district road, it will be equals to 1.6a upon 1.6 square into 5 plus 1.6 into b upon 1.6 square into 20 plus 1.6 n plus 5 into 1.60 plus d minus r. Now we have the value of a as 40,000, so we will put the value of a as 40,000 in this equation. So this will becomes 1.6 into 40,000 upon 1.6 square into 5 plus we have the value of b as 20,000, so we will put the value of b as 20,000 upon 1.6 square into 20 plus we have the value of n as 75, so we will put the value of n as 75 here plus 5 into 1.6 and we have the value of t as 50, so we will put the value of t as 50 here plus d minus r. After solving this, we will get the total value as 6145 plus d minus r. That will be the length of national highway plus state highway plus major district road. Now we have to kept the value of d as 15% of this total value which is shown here. So 15% of 6145 will be equals to 6145 plus 15% of 6145, it will be equals to 922, and we have the railway length as 1500 kilometers, so we will subtract here 1500 kilometer, and after solving this we will get the value of national highway plus state highway plus major district road length is equals to 5567 kilometer. That will be the length of national highway plus state highway plus major district road. Now we will move to the length of other district road plus village road, and we know the formula as per the Nagpur Road Plan. It will be equals to 1.6 into V upon 5 plus 1.6 into Q upon 2 plus 1.6 into R plus 1.6 into 2S plus D. Now we have the value of V here which will be equals to 10,000, which is already given in the question, divided by 5 plus we have the value of q here which will be equals to 2000, so we will put the value of q as 2000 here plus we have the value of r as 120 which is already given in the question plus we have the value of s which will be equals to 75 which is already given in the question plus d. Now after solving this we will get total value as 5232 plus d. Now the value of D is generally 15% of this value which is calculated here. So after finding the 15% of 5232, it will be equals to 785. On adding both the value, we will get 6017 kilometer. That will be the length of other district road plus village road. So we had completely find all the road length as per the Nagpur road plan. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.